Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb. I'm sitting in a 2025 GMC Hummer EV. Now, this is the SUV version, but I'm going to be showing you how to use and really get your automatic mirror folding set up when you unlock it and lock it. So as we flip around, you're going to go over to your infotainment screen here. Now, if you're starting on your first screen, you go over to settings. We're going to click into settings, go into vehicle. Once you're in vehicle, you're going to scroll down quite a bit to comfort and convenience. Go ahead and click in there. And then you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and make sure remote mirror folding is on. Now, as I go ahead and turn off the vehicle, take the key with me. Instead of pressing the button here on the door panel, I'm going to hop out. So I've got two options. I can either press the button here and it'll close it, and that's the same for opening it. So you click the button and it opens it, and then I'll go ahead and lock it up, and it closes it as well, and then that's the same as opening. It's perfect for when you're going in and out of the garage, really more parking it in and out of garages or in and out of parking spaces at different places you go to, so you're not smacking your mirrors on other people's vehicles, that sort of thing, or people aren't smacking into yours. Makes it easier walking through the lot as well, going back and forth. Hope y'all are having a great day. I'll see y'all on the next one.